Hi, it's Jenny here. Welcome to Memories and Photobooks. Today I'd like to share with you a quick video about getting a photo across a double page spread. I want to put this photo onto this page, but I want it to go across 2 pages so that half of the photo is on this page and half of the photo is on the next page. So the way we're going to do that is a little bit tricky, but we're going to change our view so that we can see the 2 pages together, 2 bound pages. I choose 2 bound pages because I intend to print this as a lay flat book, so there's nothing in between the 2 pages and the photo needs to be seamless across the 2 pages. The next thing I'm going to do is insert an empty photo frame. I want this photo to go across the 2 pages, so I need to make it big enough to go all the way across the 2. Now this would be a square photo for now, but I don't want a square. I want it to be a bit more rectangular than this, so I need to unlock my aspect ratio because I have it set up so that it's always locked. I'm going to extend this frame out and slide it across a bit more so that it's roughly equal on both sides. I'm happy with that. I need to make sure that it is perfectly lined up top and bottom. So here I can set this at 4, set this at 0 so that I know it's going from top to bottom, and the size of my photo needs to be, it's close enough to 15 wide, so we'll change that to 15, and we want it definitely 12 by 12. We want it to cover top to bottom. Okay. Alright, so now we have our photo frame exactly the way we want it. But I need 2 copies of it. I need 1 copy on the left hand page and 1 copy on the right hand page. So I'm going to right click, copy, right click, paste. I'm going to move this second one over so it sits exactly on the first one. Same spot at 4 inches and at 0 here, and it's in exactly the same position as the original one. So far we've got nothing on here, and as you can see in the elements panel I've got 2 photo frames on the left page and none on the right. Let's click back in the left page, click on photo frame. We're going to move this one so that it lands on the right hand side page. In the white space, click and hold down the left mouse key, move this photo frame, and you can see it leaves a trail of blue behind. Blue is where it was originally placed, and the green position lines have disappeared. Now I can move it back to those blue lines and let it go. There it is on the other page. Okay, so now the frame is on 2 pages. You can tell by the elements panel on the left hand side we have 1 photo frame, on the right hand side we have another photo frame. Now I want to make sure that this second photo side is at 0, so I'm just going to check that it's at 0 and I didn't change that, and save my work. Okay, so now when I want to put the photo in, I can grab the photo. Here it is here. I'll do the left hand side first. I'm going to add it in there. Then come to the right hand side page. Okay, now we've used the photo, it's disappeared off this list. We need to go to photos already used. Right at the bottom of the list will be this last one we just used, and pop that in the photo frame. And now it's perfectly split right at the middle. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.